Hi, this is Max, the founder of Ecomtent, and I'm recording a brand new demo to show you all of the new exciting features that we have launched in the last 6 months. So the first thing you notice when you sign up is that we now support Shopify integration and Walmart integration. Previously, we had eBay and Amazon Vendor, as well as Amazon Seller, which was the first one we launched and what this demo account is. But all of the features I'm going to show you work across all of these different marketplaces now, not just Amazon. And we also support for our enterprise customers, building custom integrations into PIMS, into your DAO, importing files via CSV for enterprise pilots before we go into the integration. So we can get the data into Ecomtent in many different ways and have these two new plugins to Walmart and Shopify. So the first page where when you log in will be this product page. This is going to show you all of your products that we pull from Amazon or Shopify or from wherever. You're going to see a couple of different scores here. Firstly, you're going to see your item data quality score. This is going to tell you on a listing by listing basis, do you have A+, in the Amazon case, A+ content on the listing? Do you have 6 images? Do you have keywords, brand name, et cetera, et cetera? So we're going to help you can sort by these scores. So you can look at the worst performing or the best performing SKUs first, and this is going to help you to understand where you should target your action. The next score is the Cosmo score. Cosmo is the new algorithm that Amazon is employing in the back end, and this score will basically tell you how optimized you are for AI search. So do you have an image of the target audience in the product listing? Do you display the location or context where the product can be used? Do you describe the target audience in the text? So we're going to score all of your product listings for how optimized they are for the Amazon algorithm. The next one along is the Rufus score. Here, we simply just scrape the questions that Rufus asks. On the Amazon page, we tell you if Rufus has got an answer registered or not. So that's what this is. Finally, here, you'll see the status. So if it's an active or inactive listing, and then the stage, you can edit this. So you can choose a stage, whether it's a new listing, whether you've published it, whether it's a to-do listing. I'll show you where you can edit this in a second. So here you can filter by the country that you're selling in, the different marketplaces that we support. Does it have A+ content or not? So again, these filters are going to be really important to you to help you understand what listings you should generate content for. You can generate content in bulk now. You can bulk generate images and text. You can do thousands of listings at once. I'm going to go one by one just to show you, but remember, everything I show you now, you can just bulk generate if you wanted to go at speed and scale. So we'll go into a listing. We'll go into a listing here, and here you'll see the original copy. If you click improve text, it's going to rewrite the copy. It's going to do this, for example, here. This is rewritten copy by us. It's going to use high volume keywords. You're going to see the search volume on the keyword here. And you're going to see also what keywords we put in the back end. You can edit any of this text. You can generate text in any language. And that's all there. For the images, I'm gonna show you our exciting new image model. We've just integrated GPT-4o images, and we also have image gen depending on the product. So if you click generate image set, you're now going to make beautiful lifestyle images, which are basically photorealistic. And if you click generate A+ content, you're going to generate, again, beautiful A+ content, almost entirely photorealistic. And that can be done at a click of a button there. So here you see the beautiful images we've created. We've created this stock bowl with a beautiful little puppy and food in the bowl. And these infographics and like what we call lifestyle infographics of your target audience, relevant copy, which is going to help with conversion for humans, but crucially also optimize for the algorithm. You won't see these scores improve until you publish it. So if you're wondering, oh, why haven't my scores improved yet? It's because you haven't published it. But if you publish this listing now, you publish in one click, then you'll see your scores improve and your metrics go. So yeah, I mean, it's that simple to create beautiful content. One question you may have is, okay, why have we generated those styles? You can edit the styles that you generate here when you set brand guidelines. So you can click and choose any type of content that we generate. For example, I'll do a quick example of the dimensions. And here you can choose the style the font that you're doing, and all of this kind of stuff. You can build the basic of the templates. All of these, by the way, are uploading images. So you can upload images, maybe a logo, whatever you want, to Ecomtent like this, and have it as part of the design that you generate the content for. So depending on your package, it's very easy for your graphics team to build this. It works in a very similar way to Canva. If you're on one of the bigger packages, we'll design one or two of these for you. So it depends on your package there. There is more details about how to do this here. So you can see the brand guidelines instructions. This will walk you through how to set up the brand guidelines. It's very simple and easy. And you have this beautiful PDF here and a link to book time ahead of customer success if you need to. We also have this help center, which is going to help you to build the brand guidelines. I won't go into all of the details now, but you can see here how you can set these brand guidelines up. Have a call with us. Look at the help center. We have different videos on that, so I won't go into details there. The final thing I'll show you, and again, this is a new thing we're very excited about, is not only do we show you that the Cosmo and the Rufus scores on a SKU level, we also show you on a catalog level how you're performing, and you can track this over time. So you can see here on a catalog level how many SKUs are missing product descriptions, how many SKUs have less than 4 images, don't have big enough bullet points. Similarly, on the Cosmo scoring, how many SKUs are missing images of the target audience, are missing a demonstration of how the product used, or the text is not clarifying the target persona. So you can see this scoring on a catalog level. You can see the top SKUs we recommend you taking action for here. You can flick here between your sales and impressions and conversions and everything else. A lot of this data will be imported straight from Amazon or Shopify, but what we're providing additionally is the IDQ scores, the Cosmo scores, and obviously the Rufus scores, which is the scraping of the questions that Amazon is asking on that listing. So that's the tool. Lots of new stuff. We've had new models for image gen to make the images really high quality. We've added in this brand guidelines so you can set up your brand guidelines easily, and you can scale across thousands of listings, beautiful imagery in your brand guidelines. I forgot to mention on there, you can also put in your brand voice. So we have that as well. We've got these Cosmo and Rufus scorings on a catalog level. So you can report up to your management, your team, how your catalog is improving over time. And yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out and get in contact with our team if you'd like a more in-depth demo.